So you've got your universal, you've got F and Z. Illustrate these sets using a Venn diagram. Before I do my Venn diagram, I want to check if there's subsets or something going on there. I notice that B is shared, H is shared, and I is shared. So three common elements. So these are joint sets, correct? Joint sets. So I will use this side space here. So this is where they list the elements. So you have to have them all up here. So I will in the center here is B, H, I. Okay, B, H, I. I will make this set F. I will make this set Z. Okay. F has C all on its own. Z has J all on its own. So you should be able to look at F and be B, C, H, I, B, C, H, I, right? So F has those 4 elements in it, and Z has 4 elements in it as well. For our purposes, outside, like when I go F here, I'm going to count. There's 4 elements in there, and there's 4 elements in Z. So that's kind of like what we're going to start doing, telling ourselves how many are in there as well. How many are in the universal? It's very easy, right? Just count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I've got 10 elements in my universal. So how about this? You scan through this and get rid of all the ones you've already used. So I've used B. I've used C already. D is not yet, right? So I'm going to leave that. E has not been used. F has not been used. G has not been used. H is already in one of the sets. I is already in one of the sets. J is already in one of the sets. So I'm just left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I go A, D, E, F, G. And I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Are we good? No duck sound? Okay, no duck sound, we're doing good. So this is what it would be like for a Venn diagram in this case. Let's keep going. Using notation, so watch this. This may or may not show up today. Elements that are in F or Z, so they want this. So union is you actually have to list the elements. You can't just give me a number because there's no n. It's not like the number of elements. It wants the elements themselves. So what's in the union between these two sets? And guess what? All the elements that are in there. And I told you that it has to be arranged. We're not going to worry about that. So I'm just going to ask you to list them. C, B, H, I, J. That is it. There's 5 in there. Okay. Then there's Z and F. So this is like the intersection. There's only 3 elements that fit this category. B, H, I. That's it. I'm going to zoom out because I would like my Venn diagram to stay in the background there. Elements that are only in F, F not Z. That would be C. That's it. There's only one element that is only in F. Only in Z is only J in there. Okay. And last but not least, all the elements that are in neither F or Z, those are my outliers. So I'm basically going to just list these 5 elements in them. So here we go. The set notation would be, if it's OR, you got to go U, and I put brackets around it in one of those, or you can have a bar on top of it. A, D, E, F, G are the elements that are not in either one. Is that good? Remember this, union, you want to combine everything. Everything that's in either one and both, right? Intersection, you're only interested in what they have in common. Yes? Intersection, only what they have in common. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, we can address